In this video, you will learn how to fix the red plus sign in Adobe InDesign. As you can see, there is a red plus sign on my text frame. You can also see the error indicator in the status bar. Let's fix it. Go to Window menu, click Properties. Now select the text frame and simply reduce the font size until all the text fit inside the frame. And there you go. The red plus sign disappeared and the status bar show that the error has been resolved. Here another quick method. Instead of reducing the font size, drag the text frame handles to make the frame larger. As soon as there is enough room for the hidden text, the red plus sign disappears automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching and follow for more quick InDesign tips and tricks.